President Trump's lasting legacy will be the sacrifices he has made for the American people. Mocked daily by the mainstream media and scorned by famous celebrities who used to be his friend, President Donald J. Trump knew what he had to do to make America great again. He brought thousands of jobs back to America for the men and women of the working class. He has battled the evil, radical left, to maintain the foundational American values that have made our country the greatest superpower in the world. You might not see them praising him in the news, but history will tell how Donald J. Trump will be remembered for the tough decisions he made that ultimately helped America profit and prosper for generations to come. To honor him for decades to come, we present to you this President Donald J. Trump Collectible Pocket Watch with free shipping. Check now to see how you can save up to 80% off. We are now offering this President Donald J. Trump Collectible Pocket Watch for a limited time only. Claim it today for up to 80% off and get free shipping. Top 5 reasons to get this President Donald J. Trump Collectible Pocket Watch today. Limited, we've only got 500 in stock. Historic, this collectible pocket watch is something every proud Trump supporter should be proud to own for generations. Luxury, you won't find a more luxurious timepiece that profiles our great President Trump in such an honorable way. Gift, this iconic watch makes a great gift for friends and family. Exclusive, you won't find this offer anywhere else but here.